Are you tired of manually sorting through leads to find ones owned by a specific queue? Learn how to create a queue report in Salesforce in under 3 minutes. First, we'll start a new report from the Reports tab, then apply a filter for the queue owner, and finally, save and run it. Start by clicking the Reports tab to open the Reports section. Then go ahead and click on New Report to begin creating a new report. Now, you'll choose a report type. Select Leads from the list of options. Once you've highlighted Leads, click Continue to move forward. Click on Continue. Next, click on Filters to narrow down your data. In the search bar that appears, choose a filter that fits your needs. Then select Lead Owner from the filter options. Enter a relative value, like last 30 days, to define the time frame. Click Apply to set the filter. Then hit Refresh to update the report with your filter applied. Now click on Outline to organize your report's layout. In the search bar, type Status to find the status field. Select Lead Status from the results to add it to your report. Click Refresh again to see the updated data with the status field. Finally, click Save and Run to save and execute your report. That's it. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.